extract a VIP named Angela Chan from Chinatown. She's a local community leader deemed vital to the rebuilding effort to come. Agent Kelly is already at the Spring Blossom restaurant. Make contact with her and get Angela Chan to safety. Good luck. Meyer out.
Get in cover. We'll deal with this.
Get that free going down. This'll be sweet.
All of us if it wasn't for you, Agent.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go.
What's your status, Agent?
It's crazy. I just saw a JTF soldier shot dead.
Yeah, the JTF has been overwhelmed. We're needed. Watch yourself.
Come on, let's hurry. This'll be sweet. Don't give him breathing room! Shoot! Almost too easy.
Signature ability ready.
The longer we sit on our asses, the more dangerous it gets.
We will move, Kevin. As soon as Agent Kelly's partner shows up.
But I can help with the escort.
You are not a trained professional. This is real. It's not some movie. Speak of the devil. Welcome to the Spring Blossom Restaurant. I'm Angela Chan, and this is my nephew, Kevin.
I'm Kelly. Good to see you. You've been briefed, right?
Chief Meyer updated me. We're getting Mrs. Chan out of here?
Mrs. Chan refuses to leave without her people. We're taking all of them to the checkpoint. Hold here while we clear the way.
Very well.
I should go with them.
No, Kevin. Let the agents do their jobs. I need you with us. But enough. Let's make sure
The JTF is sending trucks to the Manhattan Bridge checkpoint. That's where we're taking Mrs. Chan and her little flock. Mulish woman. But first, we must clear the way of any gun-happy numbnuts looking to crash the party.
Holy shit.
Covering fire! Almost got him!
Almost too easy.
Changing position! Bullseye!
To all agents, be advised that the JTF has lost control of several checkpoints across Midtown. We now have bad guys operating with impunity in some areas. Be careful.
I'll kill every last one of ya! Take them down!
Welcome to
Changing
your funeral.
cover!
Let's end this.
That's a hit! Target eliminated!
Almost too easy.
Got 'em all!
Thank God you came! They got the drop on us! This is all FUBAR! We've been begging for reinforcements for 2
Signature
hours!
ability ready.
Targeted. Watch him bleed. Sneaky fuckers got me.
Cover fire!
Loser. Are we gonna watch him bleed?
Found some cover!
Goddamn punks. Yeah, this is Kelly. The way is clear. Get going. I could kill for a foamy latte right now. What the hell? Here comes our flock. Thank you. We're not out of the woods just yet. Get your people inside and find cover.
There's more of them coming!
Find some cover.
spots.
Gun win, and I got the biggest goddamn gun there is. What do you think you're doing? Let's finish him off. Yeah! I don't believe it! Shit! Shooting like frost! Why won't that bastard die? Don't give him breathing room! Let's finish him off! This'll be easy. Hey, I'm gonna make you bleed. Almost too easy.
The bad guys are out in force today. Well done, Agent.
To all agents, the situation in Midtown is deteriorating fast. We are to regroup and link up with the JTF units at Camp Hudson.
Huh. I need a chopper, stat.
I'll see what I can do, ma'am.
We owe you our lives. What you did.
Just doing our job, ma'am.
Now can I go?
Kevin, I'm sure Gabrielle is safe.
Go where?
My girlfriend is a nurse at the Trinity Church Field Hospital. I want to make sure she's okay.
Trinity Church? I know a doctor there, O'Neill. He'd let me know if there was any trouble, and I haven't heard from him.
But
your job now is to protect your people here, Kevin. If there's any danger to the hospital, me and my colleague will deal with it. That's our job. And we're pretty damn good at it. Looks like our ride is here.
We make a good team! Stock up on ammo and essentials and come find me at the command tent when you're ready. I want a sit rep for the JTF.
We don't have the manpower to patrol the quarantined area.
People are gonna die in there unless you get your act together, Captain.
Look, Agent, I'm not a wizard.
Yeah? What's up, Doc? Shit. What about the JTF? I hear you. Just hold on, okay? We're coming. I need the chopper again.
What? Again? But... Roger Wilco. Agent.
That was Doc O'Neill. The field hospital at Trinity Church has come under attack. That boy Kevin was right to be worried. They need help. I can count on you, right? Of course. Then let's go.
This thing sure caught us with our pants down. What a fucking embarrassment. I just hope Doc O'Neill is all right. How do you know him? He treated my husband. Experimental gene therapy. Didn't work, but it was worth a try. Your husband died last year.
Coming up on the LZ! Incoming!
Let's take them out and make our way down. I'm too exposed here! Changing position! Moving to cover! That's a hit! Got them all! Here's an elevator. Looks beat up. Hope it works.
I don't like that sound. Cover me while I fix this. Going down. Not again. Cover me. Here we go.
Taking fire! Keep them down! Got there. Enough mishap.
We should have been activated a week ago. I don't know why Waldo waited so long. He's either stupid or incompetent. Or both. But I guess we get the leaders we deserve, right? Gets me wondering if maybe it's the system that's... Trinity Church isn't far. Let's move.
him off!
On target!
We don't have time for this. Come on!
Looks like they got hit hard. Let's look for survivors.
Hang in there, trooper.
They go into the stock exchange. Took the support weapons.
Specify.
50 cals and Gustavs.
God! What the hell were you thinking bringing heavy weapons here?
I didn't. Orders.
Oh, no, you don't. Stay with us. Too many stupid mistakes. I guess we should be grateful the JTF didn't bring mortars, too.
Kelly to Meyer, be advised, the bad guys now have heavy weapons, stingers, Gustavs, and 50 cals. Acknowledged. I've asked the JTF commander about these weapons, but the order to bring them in didn't come from him. Well, someone screwed up royally, and it'll cost us lives. Kelly out.
Let's move on to Trinity Church. We'll never get past that. Fastest way to the church is now through the stock exchange. We can smoke up the scum suckers in there while we're at it.
Take them down!
You fucking pay for that!
To all units, the Trinity Churchfield Hospital is under attack. I repeat, we are under heavy attack. They got RPGs and machine guns. I'm not sure how long we can hold.
Ugh, I knew it. Come on.
What is this fluff? I said strawberries, not chocolate. And it's not even cold. But I couldn't find any strawberries.
Jax, look! No, not now. I'm gonna go get myself a decent milkshake.
You waste them, Carl. Bring me back their heads.
Another well-adjusted citizen. Let's take them out.
Take them down!
You're gonna flee!
Serious trauma detected.
Dax wants me to murder you! And that's exactly what I'm gonna do!
Take them down!
Hey! Hey! You're gonna bleed!
Taking cover!
Could this be the end of Carl?
Serious trauma detected.
I'll kill every last one of ya!
Agent deceased.
Jax, look!
Another well-adjusted citizen. Let's take them out.
A helmet!
Want some of this, huh?
Gonna run you right over! You're messing with Jackson's second in command! I'm hurting bad! You're gonna hurt worse! Enough! Enough!
repeat, Trinity Church has fallen. They're inside taking hostages right now. Wait, don't...
Crap! We gotta move faster, come on!
Meyer here. What's the situation?
The situation is FUBAR. We got a potential hostage situation at Trinity Church.
Copy. I'll try to free up more people, but...
Do it. But we can't wait for them. Head in there now.
Understood. Good luck.
What the hell is Carl doing? He should be done by now.
Let's move on.
The Division!
Changing position! Come at me, dipwad!
All agents be aware. We are seeing a rapid increase in violent incidents in Lower Manhattan. The JTF is trying to reinforce their positions there.
The JTF doesn't know what they're doing. Nobody does. This whole catastrophe really is a complete failure of imagination. I hope Doc O'Neill is okay.
Let's check inside.
Those motherfuckers.
Where were you? You're Division, aren't you? Where the hell were you? And what about JTF reinforcements? You were...
I'm sorry, Doctor,
whatever. I'm sure you tried.
Doc O'Neill, is he...
Gone. With the others.
He told them to take him instead of me.
Is your name Gabrielle, by any chance?
Yes. Yes, it is. Why?
Someone wants to talk to you.
Hello? Kevin!
You know where they went?
No clue. Just caught a name. Jax. Seemed to be the top rabid dog.
All right. Let's go look outside. See what we can see. Sorry about this.
Yeah. Me too.